welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to be doing an unboxing of the Neo. This is the Neo Immersive TV Lighting Kit, HDMI sync box and lighting kits by a company called Lytmi. And this allows you to have really cool ambient lighting behind your TV. And this is immersive, meaning it completely interacts with what is being shown on the screen through an HDMI sync box, which is pretty cool. You will see that one thing that's cool about this, it's available in different sizes, because the same lights that work for a 65-inch TV aren't going to work for a 100-inch TV. So you can get it for the size that's right for your TV. It is controllable by voice through Echo devices, Google Assistant, as well as SmartThings. And then there is an app for app control and setup and all that good stuff. So this is just going to be an unboxing. So let's open this box up and see what you get inside. All right, so of course first you're going to get the user manual. Neo Ambient Lighting System tells you how to set this up and how to use it correctly. And you got your HDMI cord, because you do run your TV signal or your game box signal or your Apple TV, whatever you want, you can run through this, and you run it into the box and then from the box to your TV. So they include an HDMI cord to help you out with that. This is the controller here. It's very small, so it's not going to be difficult to set up and hook up to your TV and find a place for it. And there you go. This is the brains. This is what does all the magic. This little box here. You see you've got little light indicators for power, probably for the LEDs, and then for Wi-Fi, because obviously it's got to be connected to Wi-Fi so you can control it through the app and stuff. It does have rubber feet, so if you're setting it on something, it'll have rubber feet to sit on there. On the back here, you've got your reset button, your power source. You've got your two ports that you connect your lights to. And then you've got your HDMI in and your HDMI out. So input and output. Now this is capable of passing through 4K signals. One thing you do need to know, the one thing it cannot do is it cannot pass through Dolby Vision. So if you're like me, you have a TV with Dolby Vision, you'll want to also get a splitter and split the signal so you can send Dolby Vision to your TV and you can send Dolby Vision to this. You can send another signal to this. You just can't transmit out of this. It's not going to be able to transmit Dolby Vision. So if you have that, you use a splitter. But if you don't have that, then you don't need to worry about that. You can just go in here and out of here. But that's the brains. Let's see what else we got here. You've got your power cord, and you've got a very long cord here so that you can put your power where you need it to go and have plenty of room to get this to that box to power the box, power the brains. And then you've got your lighting kit. You've got these brackets and stickers that go on the back to help you connect the lights and make sure the lights are going in the path they need to go to get the cool lighting effect you want. So they've got the full setup kit there that you need. And then two sets of lights. And these are great lights. Let's unwind this here. Got a pretty long USB cord so that you can get the lights to wherever that box is. So pretty long cord before you get to the beginning of the lights. The lights are covered in a nice silicone covering, thick covering. And you can see they got that 3M sticker on the back to help stick them to the back of your TV. Along with, you can see that they're black, which is nice, so that when they're on the back of your TV, they're not going to stand out like a sore thumb, like some of the white ones would if it was solid white. The black will blend better with your TV, which is great. And you've got two sets because, again, one, you split these into two, and then you connect them to the box. the brains, and then specific places, and then you program them how you have them set up, and that's how the box knows how to translate that TV signal to give you matching colors behind your TV. Now that's not all you can do. You can do solid colors as well. There's different modes you can do for this. You don't have to have it matching every time depending on what you're watching, but that is an option, is so that the colors exactly match what's on your TV. So very, very cool, really powerful little kit from Lytmi. Again, it's called the Neo Immersive Lighting HDMI kit, and it is really a lot more inexpensive than the Phillips Hue brand, and also more capable. And then, unlike other brands, you don't need a camera, and because you are translating the actual signal, you're going to get more exact coloring than you would with the kind that use a camera. So really awesome product. And that's going to be it for the unboxing. Of course, I will have a link in the description below to the product on Amazon. You can click that link, jump over to Amazon, read what other people have said about it, and pick one up for yourself. I will be following this up, of course, with a full demo and review video, so you can see this guy in action and see exactly how it works and what it does, and how cool and awesome it is. So stay tuned for that video. If you have any questions, post them in the description and the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Of course, a lot of those questions will be answered in the future video. Yeah, that's going to be it. Subscribe, like this video, favorite this playlist, all that fun stuff. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.